So this is the inner panel that I made. The rocker panel, the outer is going to go against there. I put in some weepers so any moisture that collects behind it can seep out. Trick here is going to be how to paint that or something somehow after the fact, because it's going to be enclosed, and if I paint it now it'll all burn on me. So plug wells came out kind of awful. A lot of them blew out because metal behind was punky, but I'm just going to lay a rod in here and run a bead about every couple inches all along inside. It'll be good and strong. The next move now is to drill holes in this guy so I can do more plug welds. Whole lot of grinding after that, and almost ready for paint. Kind of fun, I think. Be good. And now we're pretty much done. All welded up into place, ground up, and over here, now this, the inners all welded in with plug welds all along there to this piece, which goes down the bin, and I decided to do a little more welding up here just to give it a whole lot more strength. Is that piece, the inner piece where it bends down, wasn't rotten. It was in a few places. I had to replace a section here, but it wasn't very thick, so a lot of my plug welds actually burned through. So welded more. Actually, I'm not a welder by profession by any chance, and I'm only starting to get the hang with this little MIG that I just got. Getting better all the time. Definitely couldn't do this kind of work without a little MIG. So the outer is all plug welded all the way along, all there, and underneath here you just have to believe me. I just got some new jack stands today, so I'll be able to get the car up higher, and I'll get those lower ones. So now a little work to do back here, and start putting this puppy back together. But I'm proud of how strong and stiff that is. Even the factory seam here on the inside, there were gaps that a 1/16 inch filler rod would go through, which is what made me decide, okay, it's all got to come out, and I'm starting new. And so this little added welding that I put inside here, and I also came back here, and this panel wasn't really held on to that. I mean, here it was a gap of at least 3/16 of an inch. I just easily closed it. So anything I can do to stiffen up the old girl, make her better than new. I try not to improve it too much. The passenger side will let go, and out of jealousy, and want me to go there and fix that. Be cool. Next time you see it, there'll be paint on that there rocker. Be good.